said your love would suck without me. You used to say my name so proudly. Said I was the only girl in the whole world, and every other girl, they got nothing on me. Hey everyone, ArtworxLegacy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I got my hair look like this. And this is a variation of the Christina Grimmie hair poof. I wanted to make an updated version of this video for you guys. So you guys, if you're wondering how I stylized my hair like this with the haircut that I got so it can look similar to Christina's hair poof, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I love y'all so much, and if you want to see how I was able to style my hair like this, like the poof at the top, the long straight pieces, then keep on watching. So, the products that you will need today are Heat Protectant, you'll need a blow dryer, you'll need a paddle brush, you'll need a spinny brush, you'll need a comb, preferably a wide tooth comb. You can use a regular comb as well. This is just to separate the hair when you part it to the side. And then you're also going to want to have wet hair that's freshly washed. I recommend taking a shower beforehand. And what you want to do basically is you want to blow dry the long bits and the ends. Then you want to take your round brush and blow dry with both hands, one hand with the blow dryer, one hand with the brush. And you want to dry the top with the round brush. Then after that, you flip your head over so you can get this part, and then everything behind you right back here with the nape of your neck, all this hair. And you flip your head over and you blow dry it, and then you if you want, you can even take the long pieces that are from the nape of your neck, and you can take the straightener once all of your hair is dry and straighten the long pieces. And you don't want to straighten the top, because if you straighten the top, you're going to de-poof your hair. So, I'll be demonstrating all of this in a speed video, and I'll, with certain clips sped up, and I'll be, also, showing you in demonstration what I do with some explaining. Alright everyone, so, you want to take your brush, your paddle brush, you want to get all of your hair. What you want to do is you want to take the blow dryer, you want to set it to hot and high, and take all of this hair and just quickly blow dry it so it dries and you'll be able to work with the top. And if you're wondering, yeah, the reason why I'm able to do this poof hairstyle is because I actually went to the salon and got my hair cut, so, in the style that Christina had her hair poof. And it's taken some practice over the last couple of years or so, and with different versions of this haircut. But, basically, it's just short layers at the top on this side right here, the end about right there. Short layers at the top that have a variety of lengths right here. Long pieces from the nape of your neck. And then lots of layers at the sides to accentuate all the layers that are making the shape like this at the top. Now that the long pieces from your mid-shaft down are pretty much dry, it's time for the fun part. And the fun part is taking your round brush and starting with whichever side pleases you. I want to part my hair to the side with this comb, because you want the poof to be not really symmetrical like in the middle, but like all the layers like that. So you comb your hair and you separate it. Then you get the round brush, the spinny brush, spinning, all that. And you take the brush and you spin the hair around it. And because these layers at the top are shorter, it's not going to get stuck like if you had all of your hair one length. Then you turn on your blow dryer and you take it and you go up and like that. So spin it around the brush and then go like that. See? getting volume, the opposite direction that you want it to go. So if you want the hair to go up, you need to think about the opposite direction. Okay, so now that you can see you've got more body, and if you just press it in place, you get all the short layers at the top to give you body. And now what you're going to want to do, and you probably won't be able to see me do this, but I'm going to basically just flip my head over and blow dry my hair upside down. So I'll try to get it in shot, but it most likely won't be. And as you can see, your hair has a lot of body now. So separate this in half. Get your paddle brush. Brush it. And what you're going to want to do now is straighten these long pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my straightener. And as you can see, this is the Chi Lava. This is the straightener I'm going to be using. Straightener is ready. Now you're going to want to take this hair. You're going to want to straighten it. Now we're going to take the comb, now that we straightened the hair, and we're going to go like this. So, as you can see, we didn't straighten the top pieces. Now, the secret to this hairstyle is Big Sexy Hair Hairspray. I'm telling you, this is a good hairspray. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As you can see, this is the Poof. It's got the volume at the top on both sides, and then it goes like that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Love you all so much, and yeah. And just as a little side note to say at the end, my beautiful mom made me and the whole family some hot chocolate. It's even got a marshmallow in there, and I'm going to drop in another one. Yep. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all so much. I think my hair turned out the best I've ever done it, and it's on video for the hair tutorial. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and thumbs up and all that. I love you all so much. Bye-bye.